algebra tiles, right? So how many positives? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many negatives? 4. Second, all right, here we go. The second number is -4. So we draw the hole, that's -4. Okay? So, question. Does this dirt fit in here? Yes. Remember these? Yes? No. 0. So, first number, +6. Well, +6. That gives us 6 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We land at 6. Next, from there, we're number 2. Multiplying, and we have same basis. B. So now we're going to distribute the 3 first. Distribute, distribute, distribute. So this is 2 to the third, Q to the third, and R to the 15. Very good. Times. There are 3.76 times 10, 3.76, 10 to the 22nd atoms in 1 gram of oxygen. And they're asking, how many atoms in 100 grams of oxygen? So what are we supposed to do, everyone? Multiply it times 500. All right. Let's make these this one in scientific notation. Jesse, take off those shades. My goodness. Let's take this off. So then we make this into scientific notation. Move this over twice. That is 5.0 times 10 to the second, because we moved it twice. Yes? Yes. So times 3.76 times 10 to the 22nd. Okay. So multiplication throughout. So these are the same base. So that is 10 to the what? 22 plus 2, that's 24. Times 3.76 times 5.0. So I'm going to place this one. And what was the number next to it? It was a 0, so it stays an 8, right? So this one's already done. So we're done here. We don't need to round anything else. However, we need to write, okay, let's write thank you. Anybody say thank you, Jesse? Yes. Thank you. All right, that's number what? 5 by 2 times 10 to the 8th. And write your answer in scientific notation. So what do we say for this one? When we get to this one, this implies that it's division, so we're going to make a fraction, yes? So on the first expression, scientific notation. No, we need to move the decimal 1 to the right. So now if we move it to the right, what happens here? Subtract 10 to the Okay, here we go. It says simple. What is the first thing we do, everyone? Put a 1. 1 on the number 2 to the 4th and x to the 28th. Over. I'm going to switch to blue. Distribute, that is x to the 20th. distribute. But those numbers in the fraction are not exponents. So the first thing I want you to do for that, put a 1 on the 2 and a 1 on the 5 so that you remember that the exponent is 1. So distribute, distribute. So we're left with 2 to the negative 4 and 5 to the positive 4. Can we leave this one down here with a negative exponent? No, so that goes on top, so that becomes 5 to the. Let's rewrite this one. This becomes 2 to the 16 to the 1/3 times 2. And we know that 2 to the 216, very good, 6. 6 to the second power. What is 6 to the? What is square root of 4? 2. So that is, my goodness, 2. So we're done with this one. I'm going to write my index now. All right. So we got number, that was number what?
10.
Number 11. Focus, please. Distribute. 4 times 4, that's a to the 16th. Okay. Look at this next one. I still have some of you making a mistake on this next one. 4 times 1/2. This is how you multiply this one. What is 4 times 1?
4.
What is 4 divided by 2?
2.
So this is b to the 2nd. Okay? Next, times. What is 6 divided by 6? 1. So this is b to the 1st. We're almost done. We write a to the 16 because that's by itself. But aren't these the same base?
Yeah.
This one? So that is b to the 2 plus 1. That is 3. Piece of cake. What is negative 1x and positive 3x? 2x, and then bring down the negative 3. This is your answer. So now that we're done with distributive properties, let's try area model. Yay! Draw your rectangle. So we got x plus 3 and x minus 1. Okay. I'm going to start with red again. Here we go. So then my computer, oh, there it is. What is x times x? Both methods using distributive property and area model. Okay, that was 14. Let's go to 15. 15. Okay, let's see. And scroll up. All right. I'm going to start with the distributive property again. Here we go. 4x times x cubed. That's 4x to the 4th. 4x times negative 2x. That's negative 8x squared. So I'm going to put x cubed minus 2x. There it goes again. And you left it like that. Is that plotting a solution or a number on the number line? No. To plot, you need to place a point on the number line. So that means you need to place your point here. That is plotting. And the properties, this is worth 5 points each of those equation problems. So be careful not to forget the property. Let's go to number 17 or 18. We're left with negative 30 equals 36 plus 5x. From there we subtract 36, we're left with negative 66 equals 5x. In our last step, we divide by 5, Answer, negative 1, let's see, 1, that's 5, 16, that's 3. Negative 13 and 1/5 equals 5x. Do you agree that this is the same as this one? Equality. And I'll stop right there. So you have to finish 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 17. That's only 6 for you to do at home. Let's see who's on. Isaac's still on. Hi, Isaac. Calvin. Everybody say hi, Calvin. That's it. All right, we'll stop right there. Bye, guys. Have a good one. See you guys. Peace. Bye. And this is going to upload in a little bit.